If you need to add a text box in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest ways to place text on your canvas, including the simple double-click method and the block shape method. This is especially helpful because Lucidchart works a little differently from some other design tools, and it does not give you a dedicated text button like LucidSpark. So once you know these steps, you'll be able to add labels, notes, and custom text much faster. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. The fastest way to add text in Lucidchart is to double-click on any blank area of the canvas. Just move your mouse to an empty space and double-click once. As soon as you do that, Lucidchart will create a text area right where you clicked. You can start typing it immediately. This is the simplest option if you just want to add a quick label or note without using a shape. If the text doesn't appear where you expected, make sure you clicked on a plain empty surface and not on top of another object, line, or shape. Lucidchart is designed so that text can be placed directly onto the canvas this way, which makes it easy to annotate diagrams and organize information visually. Now, if you want something a little more styled, such as text with a border or a background color, use a block element instead. To do that, go to the Shapes menu on the left sidebar. Inside the Shapes panel, look for the Standard Shape library. This is where Lucidchart keeps many of the basic building blocks you can use in your diagram. Once you find the standard library, locate the block shape and drag it onto the canvas. After you place it, you can click inside the block and type your text. The advantage of this method is that the block gives your text more structure. You can make it stand out, use it like a label, or turn it into a call-out section inside your diagram. You can also resize the block by dragging its corners, which gives you more control over how much room your text has. And if you want to make it look better, you can adjust the fill color, border style, and text formatting from the toolbar. This is a great option when your text needs to be visible and organized in a more polished way. So to quickly recap, if you want a plain text box in Lucidchart, just double-click on an empty area of the canvas. If you want a more visual text container, open the Shapes menu, go to Standard, and drag in a block shape. Both methods are easy, and which one you use depends on the kind of diagram you're building, and that's it. You now know how to add a text box on Lucidchart using the fastest built-in methods. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.